come on over. Free Red Bull, free candy, free samples. I did not. He's lying. I did not. Change challenge and do it in the fastest time, and you can go to Miami.
Sign up to sign in.
Tom's got it. Probably not him.
Well, guys, let's get off the road.
It's more likely that he'll win.
No, you need to sign up, don't you? You don't have a phone. He doesn't have a phone, so he can't sign up. I don't know what we're running.
You gotta train, bro. You gotta win.
Train man.
Unless you're a train wreck. Which one? Yeah, I'm a funny guy. I try.
All right, all good.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright.
Sign in.
Should I sign in for you or like?
Yeah. So anybody on stage needs to sign up for it.
Okay.
Yeah, sign in for him.
Yeah, you can sign it for me.
You could have signed in for him while I was doing that. All right, let's go. Yep, we're all in.
Wow, trainers, let's go.
Wow, it's like Gran Turismo. That's sick. Gran Turismo.
You guys are gonna, one's gonna be over here, one's gonna be over here, and then we'll rotate it out.
Okay.
All right.
So that is to take the bolt out. Throw that tire off. Put that one on and that bottom button.
Easy enough.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
So practice until we start the time.
Oh, so you guys are timing us, I see.
Yeah, we're
I know it goes.
Colin, get to hand that to me. Stand up there, so.
No, practice and then we'll time the guy.
Okay, so we'll practice. Colin, stand that up and we'll get ready to roll that to me.
Let's go. Practice.
Oh, practice, okay.
Step off.
Oh, roll it over, roll it over. Oh, dude, we're losing time. Lift it up, no, lift it up, lift it up. It needs to go on over there. We're losing time, we're losing time. No.
Push it. Push it. Push it.
That's right, let's go to Miami, we're on the line.
I think that's a bit off.
There you go. Now drill it.
Oh, okay.
Now drill it on. There you go. Perfect.
Alright, cool.
Alright, so have controls already on there.
Open that trunk, sir.
Have on the ball.
Load it up.
Push it through on the ball. On the ball.
Oh,
On the ball.
oh, on the book.
Put it on here. Hold that butt down. The blue and the red, hold it down. Lock it straight. Wait till it goes green.
Alright. Let's have it. You're facing the wrong way, dude. Lift it up, lift it, slide it in, slide it in. Okay, hold it, hold it, hold it. Alright. Done. Well, I would. I did. Well,
Yeah, you're good.
alright.
Let's see it real quick. There you go.
Alright, cool.
Alright, you guys want to do it again?
Yeah, we'll do it once more and then you must.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're helping much. Good job, Colin.
Alright, hit the button 5 times.
5 times.
Hold it down when y'all are ready.
Slide it on, dude. Slide it on. Good, good, good. Hold it, hold it. Ah, lift it up. Lift it up. Oh yeah. That's your overline. There you go. Hold it, hold it.
There we go. 23 points.
Woo! 23 point. I need to be faster than that.
And Tom, go, go.
Toss, you're at 37. Oh,
Okay.
23 points. That's fun, man.
You want to go again? Whatever y'all's fastest time is one for the Grand Prix sweepstakes.
I've got like 23.
I'm at.
Go again? Hey, you
One-
gotta go against Trainwreck over here. Hey, he's gonna get the fastest time.
Hey, dude, you're probably gonna be a bit. So it's easy enough. So righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. Take off, put on, tighten, and then stop.
So which one?
So you hold it to start. Hold it 5 seconds to start until it goes green. Once it goes green, you. So down is loose, up is tight.
Okay.
Thomas, want to go up against Colin or? No, 5 times. 5 times. All right, you're good. You're good. You're good.
Wait for that to go green.
Okay, once it goes green, it's the time. Just like in the movies. Okay, hold it down another. Thomas, hold yours down. Okay, when it goes green. Okay, the car's coming into the pit. Okay, guys, don't get on, you're losing time. No. You're tightening it, the other way. You're losing time. There we go. Good. Switch. Hey, get on. Okay. You lost anyways, man. This car. No, the other way. You're good. Here, push the button. 40 seconds. Hey, it's under a minute though. Well, just like in the movies, man.
You want to go again? Or you want
I want to try it on this side.
Alright, so let's set your his time real quick for the sweepstakes. If you want to help him out.
Yeah, sure.
Help him out. Just keep on going. Unless you want to go for a faster time. What? You want to go for another time?
Fine.
Are you
We're good. We're done. Okay.
How about you try and do it without me helping you?
I can try it without you helping me.
Yeah, fill this out for him, and then you guys want to go on that side. So this is for the Grand Prix sweepstakes. So
Okay.
if you win, Red Bull is always supposed to trip to the Miami Grand Prix next year.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so I already put his timing. So you can feel like.
Are these against real players? Like against real time?
So that's all, yeah. So we do 120 Walmarts a year,
Okay.
and we do it throughout the whole East Coast, and so everyone enters their time.
Okay.
There's a chance you can win to go to the Grand Prix next year. But all that is all fake except your time.
Okay.
Yeah, so fill that out, and then you want to go on that side, you said, right?
Yeah, I was gonna do that side. Yeah. No, I'm going against. I'm going up against real time.
Yeah.
I'm doing this side, so. I average about 20, so I would like if I beat my 23-second score, that'll be good.
Okay.
So it's just me. Start whenever. Okay. Okay. Hold it.
Yes, this is the Red Bull Pit Stop Tour.
Dude, wedged it. Alright, that's not fair. He wedged it. Can't even move the tire.
A trip to Miami, folks.
Ah, man, thank you. Ah. Yeah. Good job, man. All right. That would have been my fastest time if that didn't get jammed.
So try it again.
If you can change the tire, we can change your
All right, one more time. One more time. One last one. All right. Ready? 16 seconds. Woo! Yeah.
Sixteen.
16, yeah.
So if you got a complimentary Red Bull, you might move that time up to 10 seconds.
Free stop.
All right.
Free.
Cool. Let's.
Back on.
All right.
Try to enter your time still, bud. Hold on, trade
Oops,
next
kind
down
of.
there.
Okay.
Yeah, there.
All right. Thank you. Hey, dude. That was fun. 16 seconds. That's pretty good, though. Yeah, real life Gran Turismo.
Yeah, for titties from the movie. Crystal game.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's the same setup. Like,
Yeah, that's cool.
so, you want to play
Nah, I'm good. I'm toast, man. Free talking.
Yes,
first.
free.
All right.
And we also did free Red Bull.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. 16 seconds. The last one. Not bad. Yeah. A lot better than 32. I originally was 32. 40 was the last one. 16 was the new one, so.
Let me guess, you did 4 seconds.
No.
Everyone's getting progressively better. What was yours?
It was like 23.
Well, mine.
You're the fastest.
23.
You're
Well,
the
23.
fastest.
16, 23, and what was yours?
You're the
So
fastest.
yeah. Thanks. Yeah.
Got the bracket right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hey, thank you guys for checking out.
Yeah. No problem. Great to have you. Yeah.